In today's video, we're talking about home security systems, in particular this from Eufy, and this is the S3 Pro kit. And you get a ton of really great features in here. For example, you get 4K video out of the box, right out the way. You can set this to specifically 4K or whatever via the app. And on top of that, you even get the technology built inside that helps boost low light imaging as well. So it's super, super clear. You also get 99% reduced fault rates as well. So where you get false alerts is reduced. And then using the hub, you can actually expand that up to 16 terabytes as well via an SSD, which is all really, really sick. And the S3 Pro costs roughly around £600, euros, or dollars here in the UK. And let's today talk about what it does, what it can offer, and how it can make your home more secure. So the unboxing experience is pretty simple. You get a ton of really great stuff here, which will allow you to essentially never need to go to the hardware store to buy anything else. So what you get with it is the installation kit. So this will allow you to not only mark out where you're gonna align your camera, but also a system where you can make sure the angles are just correct and then tighten it. And then of course you've got the cameras itself. And this is an example of one of the cameras we have here on the S3 Pro. At the top here, you do actually get, if you tilt it to the right angle, a solar panel on the top as well, which will charge the built-in batteries, or you can manually plug them into charge as well if you wanted to. We've mounted ours a place whereby it will get a lot more sunlight so you could see everything. You then also get the base unit, which needs to be hardwired and plugged in, of course, to be able to store all the information as you're recording it on your base unit, which is sick. Also, do want to mention this is fully compatible with Google Home, Alexa, and Apple's HomeKit as well. So if you're looking for any additions to your current setup, that is all included. The package as a whole, this one in particular, you get two cameras. One's already installed on the outside of the home. The second one will be installed on the rear later in time, as we have work going on at the moment. But the kit itself is everything you'll ever need. Next though, let's talk about the features of the S3 Pro. So when it comes to installing everything, it's very, very rudimentary, super, super simple. And we haven't captured that information for privacy reasons, and just the angle stuff couldn't locate it because it's located quite high up in the home. But as you can see from the camera angle on this particular tablet here, this is front facing. The image is super, super crisp. We've actually paused the video for the purpose of this. You get great quality. And this is streaming now in 4K. We have actually set it to auto, so it just dictates itself based on a connection, and then wired to the hub and connected via QR code. Very, very simple process, super, super simple. One thing when it comes to the actual app itself, setting up, you just need to create an account. As you're in, you scan some QR codes on the back of the hub, and then this will connect via syncing to the hub within a shorter radius, and then you're good to go. You can, if you wanted to make it super accurate, register all the individual faces within the home to make sure when they're coming into home and there's detection at the point of entry that they know who that is, if son, daughter, mother, father, whoever have you. But the features on the actual tablet itself and the app are great. So not only can you see things like live recording and being able to dial in and record different things, capture images, etc. You can obviously view any recorded content as well, which is super, super sick via the hub. One other thing we do want to mention as well, there is no charge for this. So there's no ongoing monthly subscription that you get with like Google, for example, with their home stuff, or with, for example, Ring and their doorbell and the security systems they have. So this is no monthly charge. You essentially whack in a 16 terabyte storage and just let it run as long as you want. We've got a terabyte on ours, and then after it's full, it'll just cycle back over that, which is pretty sick. And the app itself is super intuitive, easy to use, very functional, and allows you to personalize different homes, different areas within the home to dictate where that particular camera may be. So if you've got a larger home, you can set them up in different spaces. And the experience as a whole is super, super simple, very, very good. And then let's just talk about the quality of the image. 4K is standard, as you can see on here. But then when you get to nighttime where you think it's gonna suffer, it really, really doesn't. So we've got an example here of what the nighttime photography looks like on a high-end flagship smartphone recording in 4K. And then you have an example of what it looks like when you're looking through it on the Eufy cameras. There's a significant difference. This has some really, really great AI-based technology that records and adds a lot of light, retains the quality in darker areas. So if someone's coming in around, you've got some nefarious things happening outside, you can catch those straight away. And as a whole, the entire kit, value for money wise, is super, super great. You also get the additional panel you can use if your house isn't sun facing or your property isn't sun facing, that you can use to then wire to the cameras that allows you to charge off the back of that solar panel. Haven't used that because we are sun facing, which is super, super easy for us as well. But as a whole, really, really great. Thank you to Eufy for sending us this S3 Pro. Thank you for allowing us to keep our house secure. And thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, we out.